If your life depended on picking a number and then flipping a coin that many times and getting the same number of heads as you did tails, what number should you pick? Well, a really big one, right? I mean, as we all know, flipping a few heads in a row or tails in a row is not unusual, but in the long run, it all evens out. Now that's true, but if you want to live, the answer is 2. That's because even though the distribution of heads and tails will converge towards 50-50 the more times you flip, the likelihood that the distribution will be exactly 50-50 goes down the more times you flip. If you flip a fair coin 1,000 times, 95% of the time you will get somewhere between 469 and 531 heads. But exactly 500 heads? That'll only happen like 2% of the time. However, if you flip a fair coin just twice, half of the outcomes are what you want. With this knowledge, you may be ready to embrace flippism, the personal philosophy whereby you make every decision in your life by flipping a coin. It is a great way to turn your life into a disaster. Or is it? Psychologists have found that if instead of doing what the coin says, you merely listen to it, it can actually help. Simply ask a question, flip a coin, and then observe your reaction to what the coin says. Do you feel relief or agony? Sometimes that's all it takes to remove the mental block that is keeping you from making a choice.